guys, another quick video today just to cover the indices, and we'll look at the Euro USD as well. So DAX is, well, it has been a buy for ages. You can see it's very bullish. They're quite skewed, so we've got to be a little bit careful. We've got to be careful when we're below 20% and we're above 80% because we're extremes, and we are very extreme on the DAX. So we're so extreme, in fact, I was having difficulty fitting it onto the screen. But yeah, they might go long, or so I say less short, because I think this is going to be like a big stop hunt. And if it is going to be a stop hunt, it'll be less shorts because there were bears, and basically they got exterminated. So we'll probably might, if they go long or less short, we'll create a box probably on this candle here. So really 16,000. Oh, we nearly came so close, didn't we? So yeah, this candle here looks like it's going to be a punishment zone box, but we need to get the crossover first. Wary of how extreme we are though. Okay, so be careful with that. Let's look at S&P, and very much a buy, and we made a buy because of the crossover, although we fell, so that's been quite interesting. That's a little bit naughty. We shouldn't have fallen on price because they've sold it. Can you see? So that's a bit naughty. So I think this is like fake. This is a fake candle, and it's possibly going to wick quite strongly below. Okay, so let's have a look at the rectangle and this one here. So this, we should be above this box, this very thin support box. That's annoying. That's a stupid thing. So yeah, we should be above there. So we should be above 4157 and then pump because of the fact they sold it. All right, so this is probably a dodgy candle, but we've got supports, so it might just want to test some support potentially, you know, like for a bounce. And we have to remember things have to zigzag as well, don't we? So we should be coming up higher on that. Let's have a look at US 30. And they're going long ever so slightly. So we've got a strong, well, not strong, but some resistance and some supports here. But 3 supports and 1 resistance. We can perhaps create one there. Yeah, we can create a box here, can't we? And we'll look at the Euro USD as well. We are a buy at the big picture. Depends what they're doing over time. Okay, and so that's obviously your resistance. You came down, test it, and then we fell. The reason for that reaction is because they've gone long. So, you know, we should be falling because of the fact they went long. So it would be weird if price went up because they went long, right? So that's why we fell, and that's why we had reaction there. And then we're going to possibly get a crossover here. So let's look at the Euro USD, and then we can wrap up and cross under. So that's telling us a buy. The SSI line has crossed under the moving average, so it's a buy. So when we look at this tomorrow, then we'll be able to create a box. You know, we can create one here perhaps because they've shorted it here, so we can create a box, a support zone. And tomorrow's video is going to be the last one for a little while until I get settled into my new house. But it's difficult to map, isn't it? I think it's this one, and then we can see the dip into into that level. See how it works? Those two respects. They sold it, so price come up. You see, down to test them, and again to test them. So that's how it works. It's quite clever. It's pretty cool. And so just a quick one there. I won't waffle on. Just be careful with your trades, and I'll be back tomorrow. And then the next day I'll be moving. So hopefully everything pans out as expected. So fingers crossed.